Okay, before we just throw this microwave in the dumpster in town, we'll make sure it's safe so no kids crawl in the door, and worst off so nobody sees something shiny in the dumpster and wants to plug it in their house and burns their house down. So you saw that the back of the microwave smoked up, but it could still work. So we're gonna beat it with the chopper and take it out of commission. The chopper. Cut, cut, cut. You just can't hit it with the chopper. That thing is foobar. We've got stuff for foobar. Let's see what we got in the foobar bag. Okay, here's our foobar kit. Let's go in here and see what we've got. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that looks good. Get our hands in there. Oh yeah, that looks good. There we go, get in that bag. Oh yeah, I can't believe how much you can fit in these little bags these days. That looks good. So anyway, it looks like the foobar bag held plenty of goodies that can help us dispose of the microwave in better order. Why should I just hit it with the chopper? Let's have some fun with this. To the microwave. Okay. First go around with the new P-Mags. Nice, smooth. Goodbye, microwave. Well, I think the microwave is cooked. And it won't be a danger to anybody anymore. But I have one more thing I want to test on it. Almost forgot the icing on the cake. The chopper.
But I have one more thing I want to test on it. A new conversion barrel for the Glock 22 from 40 caliber to 357 SIG. Let's see how this works.
Okay, here's the beauty of the 40 caliber family of Glocks, okay? Lock back after the last shot. Pull our magazine out. Safe. Have to pull the trigger on a Glock to break it down. Break it down, pull the spring out. Barrel out. New barrel in. Spring back in. Put the slide back on the gun. Boom. Now we take our 40 caliber mag that has 357 SIG in it, and we'll charge it over on the range where it's safe. Ah, an exploded can. Yeah. Let's see if we can get the can on one shot. Come back a little bit. Sorry about the shakiness. All right, one shot from about 21 feet. Woo! This is a hot round.